Maintaining an ice machine bin involves more than just keeping it clean. Welcome to PartsFe. One of the most important components for safety and efficiency is the internal baffle. This specific part measures approximately 40 inches by 12 inches and serves as a protective shield for the door opening. The primary function of this baffle is to manage the flow of ice. Without it, ice would press directly against the door, causing a spill every time the bin is opened. This not only creates a slip hazard on the floor, but also leads to unnecessary product waste. To begin the replacement process, start by clearing the area. Use an ice scoop to push the existing ice back from the front of the bin. This provides a clear workspace and prevents any debris from falling into the clean ice during the repair. Locate the fasteners on the upper inside lip of the door opening. These are usually hand-tightened screws designed for easy removal. Turn them counterclockwise to release the old baffle. If the old part is cracked or brittle, remove it carefully to ensure no small pieces are left behind in the bin. Take the new replacement baffle and align the mounting holes with the tabs or screw ports on the interior frame. Because this part is made of durable plastic, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver into position. Once aligned, reinsert the fasteners and tighten them by hand until the baffle is secure. A properly installed baffle ensures the bin door opens smoothly and the ice remains safely contained. Regularly inspecting this part for cracks or wear is a simple way to maintain a safe and productive environment. For trusted commercial kitchen equipment parts in the USA, UK, and Canada, visit PartsFe and follow us for more expert appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching.